Prepare yourself. Allow me.
Oh shit! This will make it all right. 1, 2, here we go! Apollo!
Now it begins.
Now then. There, sorry! What to do, what to do. I extend a helping hand. This here I go. This'll cool me down. Here we go.
Now it begins.
Now then. There, I did it.
My turn. I'll end this. It's over. For the pride of coup. I'll do what I must.
My turn. Axe attack. Here we go. Apollo. Time to shine. There, now.
Skillfully done, Agnia. How's this?
Right. Apollo. All right. There, now.
Skillfully done, Agnia.
What to do, what to do. Axe attack. Here I go. Axe attack. All right. There. Let's go.
My turn.
I wasn't expecting that. Ready to be prey? Here we go! Holla! Alright! There, so that's it!
Now it begins. What is this?
Well now. Axe attack now. My prey away. Gone. All right. I'll use this.
Prepare yourself. What is that?
My turn. This'll cool you down. Let's go. Apollo. Now then. There, this is my chance. My turn. Axe attack.
Prepare yourself. How's this?
Now then. There.
Now it begins.
Let's go. Yeah. What to do? What to... My journey will not end here.
I shall be your opponent.
Here I go. This will all right. There. My prey awaits.
Now it begins.
It's my turn now. It's showtime! Right. The hunt awaits! What to do, what to do.
well, Castii.
Here we go! Akala! It's my turn now. Whirlwind blow now. Thank you. Let the show begin.
Here I come. Choose your next move wisely.
Let's go. Not So this is Sai. According to my treatment log, I've been here before. Perhaps something in this place will help unlock the door to my memories.
Help! Someone! Anyone! My friend is wounded! Someone help him!
What's going on?
Damn. Again?
It'll be someone else's turn next. It's been tit for tat.
May I ask what's going on?
Fighting, lady. With the soldiers of the town over yonder. Folk living in this neighborhood are outsiders. Immigrants. We don't have much to live off of.
Anyone who wanted to make a good life for themselves used to head to the next town for work. All was fine, till a few years ago. Folks there suddenly decided we were undesirables.
That's the cause of the bloodshed?
That's the short of it, yeah. So my turn. Who are you, lady? You don't look like one of us.
Just a simple traveling apothecary. I seek only to give aid. If you have wounded, I will treat them. Where can I find that woman who was shouting earlier?
The hospital. It's in a hovel in the northwest of town.
Thank you. I'll head there immediately.
How long are you slouches planning on lazing around? You know the rules. You don't work, you don't eat.
Master Edmund, please. I've only just staunched this man's wounds.
Spare me the sob story, Bone Mender. A man's gotta be strong if he wants to make it in this world. Gotta be a provider, you get me? You don't work, you don't eat. No excuses.
Excuse me, but if I may intrude,
Haven't seen you around here before. You got a problem with me? Speak up.
injuries need time to heal. He cannot work in his condition. He requires rest now. Exertion will cause his wounds to reopen, putting his very life at risk.
Boss, I can't.
Worthless. This is a waste of my time. Listen up, all of you. You got backbone, you come with me. Out of my way. Don't bother me unless you can hold a sword.
The pain. The pain.
These people are suffering. I must help them. I should speak to that apothecary.
Thank you for before, Miss...
Castii. I'm a traveling apothecary. May I offer my assistance?
It would be most welcome. There's more hurts here than I can tend alone. There. We've done what we can.
It's still too early to rest on our laurels. We'll need to burn the candle at both ends tonight.
Aye. Hold on. I was too busy to give you a good look earlier, but we've met before, haven't we?
You'll have to forgive me if I don't recall. I've lost my memories.
I see.
I've been retracing my past, trying to discover who I am.
In that case, it's my turn to help you. Ask me anything. I'll be glad to answer.
The pain. I'm not gonna make it. Forget me. Help the others.
It's no good. I can't see to all their hurts alone.
I heard this town had troubles, but yeesh.
Then our journey here was not wasted. These wounds fester faster than I anticipated. The desert climb, I wager.
Just like the chief said. Good thing we came prepared.
Excuse me, who are you people?
Heirs Apothecaries. We're here to help.
Heirs Apothecaries?
Chief!
I've done what I could. The rest is up to you, Chief Castii.
Chief? Was I the leader of Heirs Apothecaries?
It was 4 years ago, if I recall. Not long after the fighting began. You arrived at the head of your apothecaries to offer aid to our wounded.
The name Heirs Apothecaries was anathema in Candlebrine. And yet, here, they're seen as saviors. Why?
Mender, there are more wounded on the front lines.
Take me to them. I'll see to their hurts.
Wait, there's no need to risk your life for us. You're here to reclaim your lost memory, right?
I am, but healing those in need is my mission and my creed.
Castii. Thank you. I'll leave the front lines to you and see to things here.
I heard they were injured. Where are they?
None here. Not on our side, anyway.
Was there some mistake? A messenger came speaking of wounded.
Yeah, they're wounded. Enemies. I planned to really show them what for today, so we set up a little ambush. When what do you know? Huge patch of quicksand appears right as they were marching over. The fools all got swallowed up by the sands. Gulp. Serves them right. I could get used to this. Victory without even drawing my sword. Whoa there. Leaving so soon?
Of course. Those people are in need of my aid, and so to their aid I go.
You think I'll just stand here and let you help our enemies?
Predictable.
Here I go. Here we go! Ha! Now then! Lion dance!
Predictable. My turn.
My turn. This'll cool you down. It's my turn now. Whirlwind blows, so that's it. Let's go. Ha! Got him. What to do? What to do? This will make it
Many
all
thanks, Castii.
time to shine. Lion dance. My turn. This will make it all right. Let's go! Now let's grab some food. Hello? Is anyone there? Please shout if you can hear me. Over there.
Found you. You move fast, girl.
Shh! Quiet. That way.
Hey!
Please, help me. I can't move.
Don't move. I'm coming. It'll be all right.
Hurry, before it gets back.
Stop thrashing. Strange. Everyone here seems terrified. Were they attacked? This isn't good. At this rate, they'll freeze. You there. Yes, you. Bring me kindling, anything that can make a fire. Water too while you're at it.
Don't spout nonsense. I'm not helping them. They're enemies. I ain't giving them a drop of...
Stop blustering and fetch, now!
Huh? Damn your eyes. Fine. Kindling and water, right?
Thank you. These people owe their lives to you.
I was like them once. I was a soldier for the other side, living fat off my daily wages. One day, a bunch of outsiders tried to move into our kingdom. Lots of kids. Well, we went in and sent them packing. King's orders. Didn't think much of it at first. just followed orders. But eventually I started thinking. Is what I got worth bullying innocents? Do I want to protect my coin that bad? Long story short, I got real pissed off about it all. So I switched sides. You know what, Bone Mender? You're all right. It takes a lot of guts to stick your neck into someone else's fight just to help folk. Watching you work, well, makes me feel like an idiot for fighting in the first place.
I'm a simple healer, nothing more.
I'm alive?
That you are. The others too.
My name's Griff. I command these soldiers. We were marching to battle when a terrible monster attacked. The ground turned to quicksand, and we were pulled under.
A monster?
That sounds like a sand lion.
A sand lion? What's that?
A beast that lives in the sands round here. Usually pretty docile. All the fighting must have set the thing off. Once one of them goes berserk, nothing to do but run for the hills until it calms.
But many of my soldiers are still back at our encampment. They're in peril. I must warn them.
Hold on now. You're too injured. I'll go.
As will I. Commander Griff, you're still too hurt to walk. Rest. Recover your strength.
Thank you.
Come on, Bone Mender. Time to go to someone else's aid.